Alright, so this is a light kit I ordered off Amazon. Here's the box for it. I don't know if that helps, but it's already on my T-Rex, so I can't show you how the strips are like, but this is pretty much the strips right here. You see how it's just a continuous connection, so like the way we routed it is just these two in the front, these two to the side, and then these two in the upper pillars. So I'll show you that later, because these two need to be routed through this into the cigarette lighter thing. And it did come with a remote, which I didn't want anyways because I would have lost it. But the app's awesome too, easy to use. It's really 120 changing options. So I'll have a video of the lights right after this. So this was off of Amazon. It was like $75 after taxes, whatever. You can, I believe this is the brand. There's a bunch of them, but I specifically searched for underglow car kit. So this was kind of supposed to be for like a car, to look like that. But it's better than getting like a bunch of like 10 different little strips just to, you know, connect it all to one modules. I just did a continuous one, and the cigarette lighter thing is kind of what I wanted too. So here will be the video of the light kit in action. Alright, so this is the light kit at night. So pretty much the two super long strips are on the left and right side, and then there's two smaller strips. Let's see if I get down on the ground here, like right there and right there. Now just you can see the super long strip over there. Was able to like open the steel plate or whatever, and then kind of show some of the wires in there, so it worked out good. I absolutely do like this light kit. A couple reasons. So the first reason is it has two super long ones. So it comes from like right here all the way back to the frame to kind of behind the give you bags. So then the wire comes up this frame, and then a bunch of wires are tucked here, and then it goes along the engine right here. So that's how my light kit's hooked up. So in Wisconsin, we can't have red, amber, and blue lights, but we can have any other lights. So purple, green, white, orange. Well, orange is the amber too, so probably not orange, but so far they don't really bug me. So let me show you the app a little bit. The app's pretty easy too. So let me turn my phone on. So the app you need to download it's called LED Hue. So then what you do, it searches for the module, whatever that. So it's the SP1. It says connected, and then you hit enter. So let's see. I'll carry this with me. So you can just tap and it'll change the colors, like blue, green, blue, orange. So these are just your standard solid color. You can make it so, but then if you type in, you press this, it does an auto one, so it kind of does it by itself, which is pretty cool. Alright, so that's the auto one. So let's go back here. So now we go to like the presets or whatever. There's 120 different color changing like modes and stuff. And when they say 120, it's literally 120. So, you know, I'll just cycle through some of them just so you kind of get the gist of it. One cool thing is that you can click on the heart right there, and it saves your favorite. So I put this one. Hold on, I didn't. It's this one over here. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, let's see. There's like a cop looking one, so it's this one right here. So this is like a 5.0 looking one. So sorry, the camera's a little blurry. It's nighttime. Yeah, so this preset's 105. So, you know, you just, let's see, click on 75. I highly recommend this. Before, when I was searching for a light kit, I didn't even know which one to buy. Part of the reason I bought this one too is because, I'll show you, is because on the T-Rex, they still have a 12 volt or cigarette lighter thingy. So you don't even have it hooked up to the battery. And the battery is kind of supposedly a B word to get to. And I haven't, it's like under, the battery is like in here somewhere between the seats, inside the frame, whatever. So part of the reason I got this one, because it didn't need to hook it up to the lights. So, and there's only another good thing is that, so all the lights are connected. It's not like one strip by itself and then you put it into the, plug into like the main module. It's all together. So I'll show you that in I'll probably have a video before this when I connect them all. So yeah, this is light kit. It was off Amazon. I'll give you more details on that. So yeah, I highly recommend it if you're looking for your T-Rex. So when I specifically Google this, or when I search on Amazon, I put in underglow light kit. So that's what I put. Otherwise you can find motorcycle ones and there's like smaller strips and stuff like that, but look how much easier just to get one long ass strip, you know what I mean? I would hope y'all agree with that. But I mean, you can always put more lights on. I didn't want to go too massive. Like, lights are cool and all, but compared, this is my first light kit since what, like 2002 or something, when my Ricer days. But the light kit game has definitely stepped up a lot. They have some where like your music be like the bass, it like kind of bounces to the bass or whatever. So this one's still the automatic mode, so I think it looks pretty dope. But alright, man, this is the video. I highly recommend it. It's on Amazon.